The Department of War continues to expand its use of data to improve mission readiness and operational efficiency. But fragmented, inconsistent, and low-trust data limit the department's ability to make accurate, timely decisions across logistics, maintenance, and supply chain operations. ADVANA was designed to unify DoD data, but persistent operational challenges remain. Data from thousands of systems remains siloed, outdated, or contradictory. High user load introduces latency, forcing analysts into manual workarounds just to validate information. They download massive datasets, rebuild dashboards, and cross-check metrics every day because they cannot trust what they see. The Department of War requires a unified operational picture, one trusted environment that integrates PPBE and supply chain data, maintenance actions, inventory, and readiness metrics. Leaders must detect risks earlier, understand their cross-domain impact, and act before shortages or delays compromise operational readiness and timelines. Achieving this requires a platform capable of understanding, connecting, and reasoning across the entire enterprise. Equitus KGNN is a knowledge graph neural network platform engineered specifically for the DoD's operational data challenges. KGNN unifies fragmented datasets, resolves conflicting records, infers relationships, and exposes anomalies automatically. It transforms enterprise data into a governed, explainable knowledge fabric that improves trust, accelerates analysis, and enables AI-ready operations. KGNN provides a unified operational picture that consolidates PPBE, logistics, maintenance, and readiness data into one authoritative environment. The knowledge graph exposes relationships, dependencies, and anomalies automatically. Analysts can jump directly to the source data and lineage for instant verification. Cross-domain queries run in seconds, showing how shortages or maintenance delays impact mission timelines. KGNN forecasts risks and provides explainable recommendations backed by full lineage. In under a minute, KGNN delivers actionable intelligence that strengthens readiness and operational resilience. KGNN strengthens trust in every analytic product through automated governance, embedded lineage, and policy-based controls. The platform detects corrupted or anomalous data before it contaminates workflows and preserves a full version history of every object, ensuring all insights remain traceable and fully auditable. Analysts can always jump to source records to verify accuracy and understand provenance instantly. KGNN thrives in real DoD environments, fragmented, incomplete, and constantly changing. It improves data quality automatically, correlates information across domains, and delivers explainable insights trusted by analysts and leadership. KGNN supports SBOM compliance, uses Kubernetes for scalable deployment, and maintains complete transparency with source access and lineage. No other solution unifies knowledge graphs, neural inference, governance, lineage, anomaly detection, and AI-native performance into one enterprise platform. This keeps the HITL and enhances confidence. Equitus KGNN delivers the enterprise knowledge infrastructure required for mission-ready decisions. Pricing aligns with Tradewind's marketplace tiers and scales with mission scope and security requirements. To learn more or request a technical exchange, visit our listing on the Tradewind Solutions Marketplace.